Bonnickson and Associates presents the Gibbs Farmland and Equipment Auction December 1st at 6:07 p.m. for the farmland and December 4th at 10:07 a.m. for the farm equipment auction. There is a total of 7 tracts with tracts located in both Reed and Thompson Township. All property is located in Seneca County. The property consists of mostly tillable farmland with woodlands, building, and a 10,000 bushel grain bin with styrator. Tract 1 is approximately 1.2 acres and includes a nice 72 by 156 foot pole barn. This building was built in 2015 and it is metal lined and well insulated. Includes concrete floors, a propane furnace and 2 24-foot white overhead doors on each end. This tract has frontage on East Township Road 104. Tract 2 is approximately 14 acres of cropland also with frontage on East Township Road 104. Tract 3 is approximately 5.5 acres of cropland with frontage on County Road 29. Tract 4 is approximately 21 acres of cropland. Improvements on this property include a 60 by 120 foot pole barn with a 24-foot overhead door and a 10,000 bushel grain bin with stir-ator, double drying fans, bin suite, and a walk-up staircase. Tract 5 is approximately 10 acres of cropland with frontage on East Township Road 136 and County Road 29. Tract 6 is approximately 8 acres of cropland with frontage on County Road 29. Tract 7 is approximately 26 acres with roughly 22 acres of cropland and 4 acres of woodland area. This tract has frontage on East Township Road 136. For more information, visit our website at bonnickson.com.